Yeah, hello? Please, I need water. Yes, please send me water. Thank you. I've got it. Yes, come in, the door is open. You again?
You again? I should be asking you what you're doing here at this time of the day with a woman that is supposed to be your mother.
Excuse me, wait, excuse me, wants to follow me anywhere I go?
I made you a promise. It was a promise I made to you that I will follow you anywhere, everywhere. In fact, I am like MTN to you. Everywhere you go.
Honey, who is this man?
Don't, just one of my village elders.
Huh?
Just don't worry.
Can you
Just drop the water and go, please?
Me, village elders?
Yes. Drop the water and go.
Money?
I will settle with the reception. You don't have any business taking money. I will settle with the reception, please. Can you go? Can you close the door? Please close the door. What is this now? What is your problem?
The reception said I should collect money. That people like you will know you. If you don't chop waiting, make you there awake. Piam, you disappear. They go minus and from my little salary where they pay. Okay, please pay for this one. Please pay.
I'm confused. I don't know what to do right now. I said I am coming to pay them there.
I said I am not going anywhere. This is pay, collect and pay.
It's okay. Now go and get me those friends. Come on, give me minutes here. I'll pay you.
What kind of human being is this? Can in this life?
Put fried egg.
You left fried egg. I go put your fried placenta inside. I'm a chicken warrior for. Name her respect. Small child like this carry you come, put you under the get around that monocle the rock. Take in the fried egg. For your mind now is a big cook. The man has spices say shimmy. What you got cook it.
What is this?
What is what?
I told you I need toast bread and fried egg. Is this toast bread?
So what is this one? This one waiting. This one na funeral ration bread. This is the city bread. Where everybody wait there for the whole night. If anybody when not the top is the city bread, that person never start. So now you be this. Eh?
You did you toast it? It's just toast.
So that is them go use sugar boy. Where they toast woman anyhow. You go toast my people. You go toast bread. You go toast anybody. Why go can't toast bread? Me, where be human being? If I want toast, I go toast a woman at my age. And I don't go toast person where big person. Or some toast bread. And who can be connected take me? Give me money.
It's okay, we've already paid for the money. Just manage. It's okay. Drop it and get out. Drop the bread and go.
No use get out from you.
Drop the bread and go.
You didn't even hold plate.
It's okay.
You want to put it on the floor?
Can you leave? Can you leave?
I will never
It's okay, baby, it's okay. I said it's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay, let's go back to
I just want to spoil my mood.
There's no time. We know you're going for a meeting. It's okay. What is this now? What is this? Get up!
What is your problem?
My village people, they are pushing me.
And inside this room, you know you have to run inside.
This is a place of safety. Please.
What is wrong with this man?
No problem. Shebi, are inside already, Abi?
Yes.
I've seen your plan. Your plan is to run today for me, Abi. No problem. Enjoy. No, baby, I understand this one. Oh. Enjoy, no problem.
Funny? Baby, are you leaving me? What is this? I'm hot. can you leave me in this condition? Oh, this man. Where are you going to? Hi. And you, who are you? What is your problem?
What am I saying? You see, do you mind to take a look here?
These people are almost getting to the...
I'm on my shut up. They're almost getting by almost getting. Are you not supposed to be at Omugona?
What Omugo?
Are you not supposed to be a man with my miracle? My boy, I forged Maya from where the baby came up from. My tie every morning, get you soak on a bath. Your great grandchildren, and you are busy still visiting small hotel with 2 man came on Basama. Then you let me. You should be thanking me for saving you from the hands of infection. Also, oh yeah, no, this sugar boy with sugar mom. Yourself, you don't come out for sugar mom. You will look mommy. Bitter mommy, anybody will carry you when you hungry. At all, Sergeant Abu Ibranga, you got brand, didn't it? Mapuno will do the gun away with Shamana, and a man guy, and that's bread with egg fry. Egg yolk, good eater. Go and thank me. Come and pay for the things why I bring here. Because when you are balance or no balance. In a hotel. Look at the time. Look at what is it by the time now. Look at it. No wonder he was hiding his face. Now see this movement look familiar. You did brado. Mora kola. Didn't mama. But why in Manaria? Go where's in all. Tatamba. Didn't.
Your work now. Why are you looking at me? Uncle.
Ha. It's okay. Hey.
Uncle.
What are you doing here? See, oh my goodness, you don't tell.
Longest time.
It's the last time we will come village. I asked your papa. He said you did this thing.
Hustle, now hustle, uncle. What's going on here? I don't understand. You're mixing pleasure with business. I bring you here to beat this man now. This is my uncle.
Yes, my brother. Tell him.
This is my uncle.
Hey. Come. Come on. Hey, Mama, since you don't grow finish, Chineke thank you. I don't know say you go later become somebody.
You bring me out to beat my uncle. What's that supposed to mean? I paid you for your loyalty. Beat this man for me.
I can't be lawyer here. Oh. This is my uncle we are talking about.
Family,
this is a family.
Family loyalty.
My uncle. No, I have to refund your money back.
You're refunding me.
I have to refund your money back. I can't do that to my uncle.
Child.
Uncle is work.
How are you? Work is fine. See where your uncle there. You don't have hotel where they do get man. Now Friday in the weekend, it's also weekend I have it. This place I get to manage. Monday to Wednesday. That place I get to Wednesday to Friday.
Uncle, I will pay a visit in your house this evening. This man just bring back old memories.
No problem. You escape this one. You escape this one. You not escape the next one. No
are
problem.
You threatening my uncle?
No, so what? No problem.
Threatening my uncle? Come here.
Dibia Gorozo. Onozo Buru Dibia. You see what goes around comes around. Everything is working on my favor. Or in my favor. Or at my favor, in fact. Child. Sugar boy and the bouncer. You call him to bounce me. Now he has bounced back on you. Oh, to what? I call you with that.